Professor Liu is going to show you how to do question number 1. And question number 1, we start with this program. Ask you use a random number to create 2 random number, single digit only. And after that, you ask the user to calculate the correct answer. All right, the program will display the message indicate you are correct or not. Okay, so we start with like this, and let's build it a program right now. That's your startup. So when we started, and we start this program, and they were built to number. Okay, so like they got 1 and 6, and they replace for us 7. So if I do A, it will tell you incorrect. Okay, so I am going to do this program with you right now, and step by step. So first of all, we realize we want this do by a input. So, and there are 2 numbers, so I'm going to say void get input. Okay, then I am going to say this is integer. Okay, I'm passing by address right now because there are 2. I really cannot pass by value. I cannot return by value. I have to pass by address. Tell the main program where to find it. Okay, so you do like that first. Then, all right, so let's look for the shortcut and create our function. And now we create right here. We are just going to get from here, Control X right here.
Shin.
Yeah.
It just has the recording.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. All right, so let me record it. It's okay.
Recording in
All
progress.
right, so now this should be N1, right? This should be N1, and this should be N2. So I'm doing that. I'm done for this right now. So I was able to get input value. So here I just need to get rid of this and say what? Get input. When I get input, I'm going to get num1. I'm going to pass num1 and num2's address, and to share with N1 and N2. Okay, so we what's this value here, and so we are going to get users input. It's okay, so we are going to get users input, and I'm going to pass by this way. User input is only 1, so I'm going to say integer get user us get user answer. Is okay. I'm going to get user answer, and when I get user's answer, I really need to pass 2 number. Okay, all right, so I'm going to get user number right here, and then I get my shortcut key and to create the function right here. All right, so in order to get that, I first ask them. Okay, Control X. All right, so I'm going to first ask them what's the. Of course, this is not called num1. This is called N1 because in this scope we use N1 and N2. All right, and we also need to have for integer user ends is okay. Then we also return user ends. All right, now we return it back. So correct answer should get user and answer by passing num1 and num2, right? So now we pass this, we'll get oh, I get the wrong thing. Okay, this is this is get user answer. All right, so this not correct answer. I'm sorry. This will be user answer. Okay, that's user answer. Okay, now, and we are coming to do this right now. Okay, so we're going to check is that correct or not. Okay, so we're going to check correct or not. So we coming back here, right here. All right, so we are going to do like this. We can back here, so we can make the correct answer to calculate later. Is that okay? So we are going to have function right here. We're going to say check answer. Is that okay? Void check answer. And when we check answer here, and we are going to passing here I'm going to passing integer n1, okay, integer n2, and I'm also passing is user answer. Is okay? User A. I'm going to passing that, and after I get that, I'm going to get shortcut for that. Right, so let me get the shortcut here, and I create this. All right, so I close this right now. All right, so I am going to do this right now. Okay, and I'm going to do integer correct answer. All right, then I'm going to put correct answer is num1. Correct answer is equal n1 plus n2. Is that right? N2. Then I'm going to check this right now. Okay, so I'm going to say this and if, so I'm going to put like this. Okay, all right, so look here, I put user A, right? If user's answer and equal correct answer, I do like this way, right? Correct answer. So right here, get input and get answer from user N. Then I am going to check answer. When I check answer here, let me make sure I type right. When I check answer here, I am going to pass num1, num2, and I'm also going to pass the user answer into it. Okay, so let me run this program right now. It's okay. So I'm going to build it. I'm going to start without debugging. All right, so what's 6 plus 1? Let me see. I have right here, I need to have a random number as ren. I already got it. Okay, that's fine right now. So let me run it one more time. So start without debugging. Okay, let me put A. Okay, so great job. Okay, now you can only do one. Now you can only do one. So I am coming back here to ask you to put char again. All right, I'm going to put char again. Then here I'm going to put do and press enter. Then I'm going to say to lower, and again equal lowercase y. Is okay? Then I'm going to have the question here, cout, do you want to do it again? Okay, then I tell user use y or y or n. Okay, I just kind of to remind them, this is the what I expect to turn to for input, and I'm going to put again. Okay, so this is a do-while structure. So once you have the do-while structure here, and you just going to copy everything here and Control X and put right here. All right, now let's run this program right now one more time. Build it. Okay, and start without debugging. So I am going to put 3 plus 7. I'm going to put 10. All right, great job. Do you want to do again? Yes. Okay, 8 plus 8. Let me do the wrong. 15. Incorrect. Do you want to do again? Yes. Okay, then 7. Do you want to do again? No. All right, so program will end. All right. So this program asks you to correct everything, make everything become function. Then after you do make everything as a user-defined function, and you use a do-while loop to create the looping. But this time, because everything is function, so the do-while loop make it a lot clearly. You can see the structure right now. Your structure is you get input, and your structure is get user answer, and your structure will get check answer. So that's very clear now. That's one of that advantage. You want to use everything as a function.